I had a problem with the electricity. Okay, let's continue.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, we have in this question, you have the field to option before, after, or if. You are the first person up in the morning. Make me a cup of coffee.
Um,
What is the correct option?
um, la option correct is C.
See, if you are the first person up
If
in the morning,
if you
yes, tell me. Read, read the complete sentence.
if you are the first person up in the morning, make make me a cup of coffee.
Okay, are you sure that it's the letter C? Good, very good.
Si yo, profe, tenía aquí la luz para poder yo esperar.
Okay, stop at the petrol station. Option A, while, B, as soon as, or C, before. We run out of petrol. What is the option?
Mm. Um, option C, before, before.
Before, stop a petrol station before we run out of petrol.
Yes.
Good. Excellent. Continue. Now we have in the first the different options A for, B if, or C why. As we discover life on another planet, will it be intelligent?
With,
What is the correct, Adrian?
mm, uh, option B, if.
Are you sure?
If has, yes.
Read the complete.
If has we discover life on another planet, will it be intelligent? Intelligent, ¿cierto? Sí.
Will it be intelligent? It's a question. Okay, you say that is number or letter B, if. Good. The next, stop at a petrol station. Why? Why? As soon as or before we run out of petrol.
Mm, Stop and news. Before.
Before, read please the
Yes.
sentence.
Stop at a petrol station before we ran out of petrol.
Good. Very good. I'm so worried about maths. Why or as soon as you hear any news, please phone me. What is the correct?
Uh, has soon has. Option B.
B. Read the complete sentence, please.
I'm so worried about mass. Has soon as you hear any news, please phone me.
Good. Now, you have in the first complete until A, when B, or after C. You read the newspaper. Can I have it? What is the correct?
And C. After.
After. Okay, read please.
After after you read the newspaper, can I have it?
Can I have it? Okay, good, very good. Now, I'm going to keep asking you to marry me. Option A, when, B, why, or C, until you say yes. What is the correct, Adrian?
Um, Option C. Until.
Until. Okay.
Yes.
You say,
Um,
I'm going to keep asking you to marry me until you say yes. Excellent. Very, very good. You have an excellent punctuation. Right. So, so. I have another exercise to practice. And this is not a multiple selection. I know, yes, it's a multiple selection, but now you are going to analyze everyone. So, the first, tell me, I'm from Mexico. The option is and, but, or. I live in Spain.
uh, I am from, see, I am from Mexico, but I live in Spain.
But I live in Spain.
But
But the second option you say.
the second option,
Yes, it's good. Excellent. It's the correct. Second, I work in a shop. You have the options and, but, or. My husband works in a hospital. Correct.
um, the first option, and
And read, please.
I work in a shop, and my husband works in a hospital.
Hospital. Good, very good. The example number 3. She went to the supermarket and bought some drinks. What is the option?
I don't mind. Um, and the first part is option but.
But
And the second part,
do you know
option
where is the number 3?
uh, uh, six in a but teacher and the first part,
And
option but. No, but second option.
okay, you are answering the fourth sentence. Yes, number 4.
Uh, Teacher, read
Read.
complete. When
Okay.
we went to the cinema,
Yeah.
but it was closed. Mm, because
Okay.
it was too early.
Okay. Yes, it's okay. Excellent. But you have pending the tier number 3. She went to the supermarket. What is the correct?
Three. Uh,
Number 3.
uh, ok, ok. Qué pena, teacher. El que estaba perdido era yo. Yo
Don't
estaba
worry.
yendo a la cuarta.
Number 3, it's okay.
Ah,
It's good.
yo estaba yendo a la cuarta. Me
Sí,
salté
yes.
una. Ok. Um, um, she went to supermarket and first option and
Okay, read, please, the correct. It's good.
she went to the supermarket and bought some drinks.
Drinks. Yes, good. Number 5.
Five. Okay. Um, five. Uh, option second option. So.
So, read, please.
John wanted to buy a new jacket, so he went to the new shopping mall.
Good, very good. And number 6. Sam's going to meet Dana tomorrow. And because
Mm,
it's her birthday.
okay. It's second option because Sam's going to meet Dana tomorrow because it's her birthday. Birthday.
Good. Very good. Do you understand very well the topic? Number 7. Do you prefer chicken and because or fish?
prefer chicken? Uh, pregunta. Fish. Um, do you uh, third option, or do you prefer chicken or fish?
Good. Very good. Number 8, that is the last one. I didn't buy the card. And or because or so. I didn't have enough money.
Uh, uh, Third option, because I didn't buy the car because I didn't have enough money.
Excellent. You have 10 points, about 10. Good. Okay, I think that is and I think that you understand the topic very well. I would like to know, what do you think? What is your opinion? Is clear with the exercise? The theory is clear or is confused, but when you do the exercise is a perception? Tell me, give me your summary
Teacher,
about the topic.
my opinion, the truth is that I did not understand the theory very well, but I understand to exercises very well.
Okay. Yes, because there are many words that it's not clear, maybe when you say common conjunctive, or when maybe when you say conjunctions. Bueno, conjunctions and connectors, yes, it's okay. It's easy to understand. But maybe one mix the different words about the conjunctions is in special. But when you look or read maybe slower and interpret every sentence, every example, you understand with more details. So you think that it is important to speak or to write this topic, or maybe usually you can use it, or it's not good to use? What do you think? Did you understand the question?
No, teacher.
I would like to know if this topic is functional or is not very common, or the thing that is not good to use, or maybe is very indispensable to read or to speak all time.
Teacher, I didn't understand you very well.
Don't understand me now. What is the question? So again, I would like to know if you think that in your maybe daily routine, or when you are to speak with another person or you write, you maybe use this constantly or no. The topic for today is common to use or no.
The teacher so.
So sometimes yes, you can use, or sometimes maybe it's not indispensable to use all time this topic.
Teacher, Houston is fundamental in many things, is what I think.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, Adrian. Um, I think that it's good. You're only in the class. It's faster than when it is a group. I hope that you have learned about the topic, have practiced. Thank you for your attention. My pleasure to be here every day in this class. And see you next class, that is Monday, Wednesday, the next class. That's okay.
Teacher, thank you.
Okay, Ariane, thank you. See you next class and happy night. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye, teacher. I feel in for next class.
Okay, bye.
Bye.